I think you buy it for the funny.
What?
For the funny.
For the funny?
For the funny.
What is he doing?
Do the vine!
Oh, just for fun?
Yeah,
Okay.
for the viewers, for the I say, I'm the viewer now. You now. Bye now.
Look
Bye.
at me. Look at me. I am the viewer. Add to cart. Protection plan. No, we don't need no protection. We're living on the wild side.
He's risky.
He's in it for the biscuit and he's willing to risk it all.
Check out. Alright, we'll chop all this out. 24 hours later. Hey Joe. Joe? Hello? Yeah? It's here. It's here! Boys, it's here!
It's here!
Oh my god, it's here, it's here, it's here. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go.
Laughing.
You got a PS5, man.
The Holy God has arrived!
Bonk, bonk.
It's scissor time.
That's horrifying.
What's in the box?
I'm pretty sure I already know what's in the box. No.
Okay.
Put
Let's
it.
open this thing. We're just gonna stand here and look at a box?
It's more,
Yeah. I paid dearly for this.
Yeah, it's all your money.
All the Skittles and stickers I made in a month here.
that's all your money just gone to waste. It's fine.
You messed up.
Made a huge mistake.
You didn't even cut it.
Well, at least I got the insurance on it. We need your help, Ryan. Get on this side.
You know, if you're gonna unbox, how much did you spend?
What?
How much did you spend?
Around 500.
600 something. Oh my god. Is it tape? No. What is it?
Man.
It's just very tightly.
Release her from her prison!
I christened the Atreus.
Oh my god, like.
Bro, let me
like
keep getting that
Atreus.
controller real quick.
This stuff is
Like-
important. Power cord, controller.
Like Atreus from God.
Oh, I don't like that noise.
I'm taking out the controller.
This.
Wow.
Yeah.
People say this just vibrates good. I don't really know though.
No, actually vibrates well.
You're,
Only
shaking
90
as much as I did when I drunk 17
Tremors, guys, you know this.
17 monsters in one day.
Your heart should not be beating.
Bro, I heard those things were big, but I didn't think that big.
Dang! It's as big. It's almost bigger than my Xbox 360.
Bigger than I have.
No, it's bigger.
Let me-
A 360
let
is
me
not
hold-
even
Let me
near.
hold the baby.
Take turns cradling.
That's heavier than the Series
That's
S.
some capabilities, boys.
Fast charger.
On that.
On that.
On that. Oh.
Yeah.
We got it.
Yes. Now. It's a K.
Wow.
And then a Y. As in, why did I buy this huge purchase?
As in, why did I spend half of my year's salary on this? How much build it?
Let's take a poll from the audience. If you were in our spot right now, would you feel comfortable?
With them spying on you?
Yeah. But, however,
Well, today's sponsor, NordVPN. Admire it. It's not vibrating. I thought it would vibrate.
You can turn the settings.
Vibration. I want to. I should
so as you can see, our PS5 works really well.
Our, your PS5?
Yeah, mine, sorry. We're just making sure it works right. We're not actually having any fun. We hate this process.
This is actually very, very
No fun at all, right,
Look at
Cole?
his face, he's stone faced.